Hi there, Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces. Today I want to introduce you to a line of wood planks that we carry here. One of the many wall coverings that we have available for finishing our fireplace projects or any feature wall with or without a fireplace. This collection is called the Vintage Collection, and it is made of Canadian softwood lumber and then stained to look vintage. So like most of our wall covering planks, these are tongue and groove. They're manufactured by a company that normally makes hardwood flooring. So similar tongue and groove construction. They're not durable enough for flooring. So what they've done is they've taken a softwood product and they've stained it to mimic different effects and colors, and they've made it very easy to install on a wall, but it is not durable enough for flooring. So it's tongue and groove, meaning I put up a plank and then the next plank just fits over the tongue on the one below, and so on and so forth. So super easy to install. And I can tell you, in our showroom we have many walls with the wood planks, and I've personally installed the majority of them. As long as you have a chop saw to cut the ends when you get to the end of a row, and you have a nail gun and maybe a little PL, they are super easy to install. Once you get your bottom plank in place and you make sure it's level, and you just keep checking level as you go up, they're very, very easy to install. It's a really fast project for somebody who wants to create a feature wall at the headboard of a bed or in a basement lounge area. Super easy to install. So the Vintage Collection, one of the things I love about this collection, other than the great colors that it comes in, is the length. So most of our wood planks come in roughly 4-foot lengths, and then whatever widths and thicknesses they might have in the collection. These are 95 inches long and about 5.5 inches tall. So they do install flat with one another. Some of our planks are multi-dimensional. These ones are all the same thickness. But with that 8-foot length, my wall is slightly less than 8 feet here in our entryway. So we're able to do one whole plank per row and not have the different joins and seams that we would normally have. So it's a really nice, easy installation and a nice, neat look, because we don't have to have different lengths going on across the width. So I love the fact that these are almost 8 feet long. They also have several different trim pieces for capping off the tops of walls, corners, wherever you might need a trim piece. They have a wide trim, and then they have an L trim. So there's some different options for finishing these off if you aren't going corner to corner like we did, for instance. So there are several shades of gray, one of which is on our wall here, sort of a beachy driftwood color, but there's a more of a duotone gray as well, and then some really neat painted colors. So we've got a white, quite a crisp white, a sort of a barnboard red, and then I love the Tiffany blue. So those are some fun colors if you're a little braver. I mean, the white is pretty straightforward, but the red and the blue are a little braver, but a lot of fun. And like I said, these are super easy to put up. They're great in a high traffic area. So this is our front entrance. Everybody comes and goes through here. We need something that is going to take a whack and not get scratched or dented or dirty, and these wood planks are ideal for that. So it's a great thing for an entryway, a mud room, as I said, a basement area where, you know, maybe the kids hang out. Just a really nice, easy, low maintenance, and if it gets a little ding or a dent, nobody's going to notice, and it's only going to make it look better. So it's a great product for that. So these are vintage wood planks. When you're on our website, stylishfireplaces.ca, we have a heading in the navigation bar called Fireplace Add-ons. And although you don't have to have a fireplace for these, that's where we keep products like this. One of many Canadian-made softwood lumber wall planks that we carry. The vintage line comes in many shades of gray, the white, the red, the blue. They are 8 feet long, about 5.5 inches tall. They are tongue and groove, and they are amazingly easy to install and to create an accent wall in a few hours, literally. So check it out at stylishfireplaces.ca under fireplace add-ons.